The Toyota CHR is a compact crossover SUV that has caught the attention of drivers worldwide with its bold design, modern technology, and hybrid efficiency. If you're looking for a vehicle that blends style with practicality, the Toyota CHR offers a compelling choice. Let's take a deeper look at what makes this vehicle stand out in a crowded market. First, let's talk about its design. The Toyota CHR is instantly recognizable thanks to its striking, angular shape. Its sharp lines and dynamic curves give it a futuristic, almost sculptural appearance. The aggressive front grille, combined with the sleek headlights and sharp body lines, make the CHR look like it's always in motion. It's a design that doesn't shy away from making a statement, and that's exactly what Toyota had in mind when they created it. On the inside, the CHR continues to impress with its modern, tech-forward cabin. The dashboard features a clean, minimalist design, with soft-touch materials throughout. The central touchscreen display is intuitive and easy to navigate, offering Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, so you can seamlessly integrate your smartphone with the car system. The seats are comfortable and supportive, with enough room for 4 adults to travel comfortably, though the rear seats are best suited for shorter trips if you're traveling with a full load of passengers. In terms of performance, the Toyota CHR doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine that delivers a balanced performance, smooth and efficient, but not overly sporty. The engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, which helps to keep fuel economy high and emissions low. Whether you're commuting to work or taking a weekend drive, the CHR offers a pleasant driving experience with responsive handling, and thanks to its compact size, it's easy to maneuver in tight spaces and urban environments. One of the most appealing aspects of the Toyota CHR is its hybrid model. Toyota's commitment to hybrid technology shines here, offering an option that's not only eco-friendly but also fuel-efficient. The hybrid powertrain delivers excellent mileage, making the CHR an ideal choice for drivers who want to reduce their environmental impact without sacrificing practicality. Whether you're driving in the city or cruising on the highway, the hybrid system adjusts to your needs, seamlessly switching between gas and electric power to maximize fuel efficiency. Another feature that sets the CHR apart is its comprehensive suite of safety features. Toyota has made sure that the CHR is equipped with a range of advanced safety technologies, including Toyota Safety Sense, a package of active safety features that includes lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and a pre-collision system. These features work together to provide peace of mind for both the driver and passengers, ensuring that the CHR is as safe as it is stylish. In terms of practicality, the CHR offers a decent amount of cargo space for its class. While it's not the largest in terms of raw storage capacity, the CHR's rear seats fold flat to create a larger, more usable space for your gear. It's perfect for grocery runs, weekend trips, or hauling smaller items. When it comes to value, the Toyota CHR is a great option in its class. While it might not be the cheapest compact crossover SUV on the market, it offers a well-rounded package of performance, technology, and safety features that make it worth the price. Additionally, Toyota's reputation for reliability and low maintenance costs means that you're making an investment in a car that will last for years to come. In conclusion, the Toyota CHR stands out as a stylish, practical, and efficient compact crossover. Whether you're drawn to its futuristic design, its hybrid efficiency, or its advanced safety features, the CHR offers a lot to like. It's a car that's equally at home in the city as it is on the open road, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a versatile and reliable vehicle.